Hi everybody, welcome back to Bobby's Bees. Today I wanted to talk about honey extractors. You know, there's lots of different extractors you can buy, and until you have a lot of honey to extract, I really wouldn't run out and buy an extractor. It's something you really don't need. I mean, in the beginning when we had just a few hives, we used to just crush and strain. We would take the wax, melt it down, make our wax, our chapstick, or our balms, whatever. And you know, that's fine, but once you have a lot of honey, you want an extractor that will spin and use a centrifugal force, and that way you can actually reintroduce the comb in the latter part of the summer. That way the bees can fill them out, you get your honey, they can fill out and get ready to overwinter. And you know, we worked our way up from a hand crank. We would just crank it for about 30 seconds, and that worked great for a couple years, and then eventually we had more and more honey, and we finally went up to a 3-frame. This holds 3 deeps. It's got a little motor that works great, but the problem is that often when we're putting frames in, it's off balanced. So I'm sitting there and I gotta hold on to the thing because it's just shaking like crazy. Well, I'm gonna fix that today, and I'm gonna show you how. Stick with us, I'll show you how we do it. So this is a piece of 3/4 that we got from Home Depot. It was 10 bucks. Okay, now you can buy a full sheet for I think right around 45, 50 bucks, but they have these pre-cuts, or you can buy a sheet and just have them cut it. Often, you know, folks just get their sheets cut before they head out. Maybe they're not driving a pickup truck, they're driving a car, they have to get them cut, and Home Depot offers to do that for you. So that's an inexpensive way to go. But so we just put this underneath the extractor. We marked where the feet were. I moved it over here. And now we're gonna drill some 1/4 inch, I think it's 1/4 inch. I have these, 1/4 inch bolts. We have a washer and a nut, and this is going to keep the extractor still, and we can step on this. But what we're going to do is we're not going to just put one down, we're going to put 2 pieces down, so it adds a little bit of extra weight. And you simply can just step on the board. No more shaking. The extractor won't shake anymore when it's a little off balance. And this is going to fix the problem, and it's going to make it where you can walk away from your extractor when you're spinning honey. So let's get started. So I put the board underneath it now. So this is a quick and easy video. I just wanted to share adding some more weight to the platform, or building a platform like this and tightening it down. This is going to make it so it's going to have more balance, and you can simply just step on it to get it to stop wobbling when, say, you have one frame that's heavier than a couple more frames that's in this extractor. So hope this helps you guys, and we'll see you on the next video.